Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML style guide. A consistent, clean and tidy HTML code makes it easier for others to read and understand your code. Here are some guidelines and tips for creating good HTML code. Let's check our code right here. I want you to notice one thing. I want you to have something in your mind whenever you are writing codes. You are not writing code just for only you. You are writing code for others and for you also. And also you are writing code for computer, because if you are writing bad codes, your computer is going to be giving you error. It's going to be an headache. It's going to be a headache. And also, if you are writing code that is wrong, that is bad, that is not clean, when you want to give others your code to help you debug what is going on in your code, if it is raw, you are going to give the person hard time to be able to figure out where the error may come from. So I will advise you, write a clean code and tidy HTML code. So in this HTML style guide you are seeing right here, I'm going to be showing you some things you should avoid whenever you are writing your code, and something you should take note, something you should be doing when you are writing codes. So I want you to follow along. So, and to the next, Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day.